And welcome back. So in this short episode of Blue Prisms, IA Connect new features version 8.0, which came out September 2020, we're going to take a couple minutes just to show a few new features. I did want to point out, friendly reminder, on the right, I can launch my apps via the Citrix storefront, but for this particular demo, I will be doing a desktop to go over some of the features. Now, the first thing I'd like to show is we'll go into the IA Connect inspector. And of course, some of you may be familiar with the UIA inspector as well as the web. But we do have a new one, and it is the Java inspector. So this will let us do automations over Citrix with our Java applications here. So we'll go ahead. As you can see, we still have your typical connection bridge. We want to make sure that we are connected, and we can see we have a success. And of course, we could launch an application like we do normally. I'll just go ahead and open up a JEdit, right? So we'll get a Java application going. This could also be something like Clean Sheets or however you, whatever other Java applications you could use. And we're going to go ahead and do get desktop elements here, so we can see the command is being processed. And now, as I see it, can see we found a Java element right here, and of course we spy it, and we can see we have our yellow application right here. So that is new and improved the Java inspector. I think a lot of you will get a lot of great use out of that. Now, some of you may have noticed when we did this inspect Java application, we did this get desktop elements here to find this. But with a new feature, we now have locate element using mouse. So we'll go ahead and click that. And notice now when I come in, I can actually spy my element just like I would natively in Blue Prism. And I can use that to get any sort of element I want, just like you would natively in Blue Prism. And of course, this feature isn't just solely for Java Inspector. This new locate element using mouse is also in the Web Inspector and the UIA Inspector as well. So this really should make your automating even much more simple than it already is. I'm now going to show another feature here. I'm located on the UIA Inspector as they've made some advanced updates here. And I have a door entry system over here on my desktop that I have pulled off. So I'll go ahead and hit Get Desktop Elements. And then once again, get my locate element using my mouse. So you can see here, once I go ahead and click, I can simply scroll over. So now what I want to do is I actually want to just get this large box right here. You can see if we hit identify, we can find it. But what's really neat in this update is I can actually step in, and now I can see all those different elements within that box. And if I hit my extend arrow, it will actually recommend the most logical action to perform. So normally in a first name box, I would probably want to input text. So I could simply copy that and then put that into Blue Prism. So really nice little neat feature there to kind of build up, some of your building time. We hope you enjoyed today's Blue Prism short on Ultima IA Connect's 8.0 new features. Keep in mind, these are just a few of the new features. You can find more information at ultima.com. Go to their IA Connect section, and they have a blog post, as well as the digital exchange.blueprism.com. Search Ultima. Remember, the magic behind IA Connect is to solve the challenge of automating through Citrix with Blue Prism. With Ultima's IA Connect, we can now do this natively, which is a massive boost to those RPA programs that are looking to truly scale. Please reach out to us if you have any questions or would like to take an in-depth look. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next short.